Hey guys, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here. Again, my camera broke, so I'm filming this on a phone. Ignore the shaking, and also ignore the clickbait because I'm trying to get my channel back up line. So thank you for viewing this, and let's dig right in and see what we got in these eggs. For my new viewers, I'm in Canada, so it's very odd to get or see this type of figures up here, like egg-wise. We got the first wave of Captivz, which was cool, and now we're finally getting the second wave. I'm only missing the blue and Toro figures from this lineup, thank goodness. So I'm hoping to get them. If not, I'm gonna try for another Bumpy or another gold, or gold. Bumpy's glow in the dark, not gold. Yeah, another glow in the dark Bumpy, basically. So we'll just tear into these. If it's a glow in the dark Bumpy or a normal Bumpy, then I'll be trading it. So we got our bowl here for the slime. And just like that, got one. And this one seems to not be Bumpy. This one is the Spinosaurus, from what I see. Yeah, we got this Spinosaurus. There we go. I'm not gonna put that together. Or yeah, sure, whatever, I will. What's cool about this Spinosaurus figure is it's a lot more detailed in comparison to the first wave figure, I guess you could say. Paint-wise, of course, they got some very beautiful paint applications on there. For such a small figure, it has phenomenal paint details. I don't know, the head just doesn't want to go on. That's okay. I'll just leave it. So let's put the tail on. There we go. So that's probably why it was so heavy. Let's, I guess, move the camera a bit. I got my cameraman here so I can do this with both hands. I usually just use my tripod, of course. So I'm hoping to get a new camera this week so we can get back to the usual just filming style. And I've got a lot of content backed up at the moment. So if you see just loads of videos this weekend for my subscribed people out there, then I'll try to just span it out through the course of next week. Just kind of post, like save some videos and post them throughout the week so you get some kind of regular content and not just all at once spam. Okay, so I'm hoping this one's blue. I think there's a raptor in there. So we're just gonna keep our fingers crossed for that. Please be blue. And it's not, it's that one, the red one. I don't know, I think they pass it off as Echo. Yeah. Yeah, it's Echo, damn. I think, isn't there a yellow one that they're calling Delta? So this one would probably be Delta or something like that. I already have one. For some reason, the tails never want to go in. So let's try this last one, and again, hopefully it's Bumpy, the Bumpster, bumper car. Gotta love this packaging. Very cool. Okay. Yeah, these eggs, I bought them like last week, and I've just been waiting to open them on film. Ugh. Damn. And now with that new lineup coming up with like over 30 of them, I'm gonna lose my mind. I think the first lineup that came out, it had, I don't know, it was like 18 or something. It was a lot, but it wasn't too many. But it didn't come out in the States, so I had no one to trade with, meaning I just had to buy them until I got the ones I wanted. And I think I bought like 44 of them. It ended up costing me a total of like $350. But I had so many, oh, we got Bumpy, thank God. I had so many leftovers from that lineup that people around the world didn't have, that I just ended up having enough to trade for the majority of this lineup. So now all I'm missing is 2 from this lineup. I basically like equivalently paid for the ones and dodged, you know, having to actually buy the whole lineup of this and try and find them all. So I'm just collecting this lineup through trade basically. But these ones were to get Bumpy, so I can use Bumpy for trade, because apparently people are having a hard time finding Bumpy in the States. But up here, he's pretty common. So there we go. I'm just gonna take this. So there's Bumpy. This one's pretty rad. It's arguably the best figure in this lineup because it's in scale with the Mattel figures and it's very detailed. So it's absolutely perfect for that. It's way better than Mattel's Baby Bumpy figure in this size. Yeah, so it's perfect. It's absolutely phenomenal. I'm kind of confused. Bumpy's intelligence should be a bit higher because in the show, Bumpy literally did so many intelligent things. Kind of confusing. Wow, Echo's intelligence. Okay, and then what's the... You cannot say that Spinoceratops is more intelligent than Bumpy. Bumpy, like, knows things. He, or she saved, like, characters and stuff and communicates and whatnot. Yeah, this must be a misprint. Bumpy's not that dumb. And why is Bumpy's rival baryonyx? It should be Toro. There's literally a Carnotaurus figure. I'm pretty sure they have Toro in here. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Why? No, that's inaccurate. It should be Bumpy. Baby little Bumpster should have the Carnotaurus rival. That's horrible. Baryonyx? I don't even think Bumpy came into contact with Grimm. I don't remember that at all. But whatever. Okay. It'd be funny if they had the Indominus Rex though. That'd be so funny. Anyways, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was fun. Definitely got what I was looking for, and then I guess this is new. Gosh, I don't know why Echo's tail never pops on. It's very sad. But yeah, no, glad to have another Bumpy, and I hope I can trade this with one of my friends on the interweb and get some good stuff out of it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video then. Bye-bye.